Boise roof repair tips. Before you make any major repairs to your roof, make sure to research local contractors in your area. By choosing the right person for the job, you will not only save money, but also ensure that the job will be done correctly and without any problems. If you're doing the roof repairs yourself, don't skimp on the quality of materials and products. Don't try to save money by using cheaper materials and products. Focus on getting the best materials for your roof. Another tip that will save you money is to salvage old shingles. Save these shingles whenever you can. They can be reattached and will save you money. You can also reuse shingles that are loose, curled, or have lost their luster. You can also use roofing cement or nails to secure loose flashing or shingles. Be sure to seal around these areas, as cracked or broken caulk can lead to costly leaks. Whether you decide to hire a professional or do the repairs yourself, remember to dress in appropriate clothing. Regardless of the material used, be sure to wear long pants and a sleeved shirt. Make sure your shoes have rubber soles so they won't slip.